Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about the real cost of owning a home and why homeownership costs much more than just the monthly mortgage payment. First, when people think about buying a house, they usually focus only on the mortgage payment. This payment includes the principal and interest on the home loan, and it becomes the base monthly amount that most buyers look at first. However, this is only one part of the full cost of owning a home. Next, property taxes must be included in the budget. Property taxes can add a significant monthly cost depending on the location and value of the home. A house that looks affordable based on the mortgage alone may become expensive once taxes are added. After that, home insurance is another necessary cost. Insurance helps protect your home and belongings from unexpected events, damages, or disasters. Even if the payment seems small compared to the mortgage, it is still part of the true monthly cost of homeownership. Then, you also need to think about utilities. This includes electricity, gas, water, internet, trash, and sewer bills. These costs often increase with a bigger home because more space usually means more energy, more water usage, and higher monthly bills. Moreover, maintenance and repairs are one of the most important hidden costs. A home needs regular care, such as appliance fixes, plumbing, roof repairs, painting, landscaping, and other unexpected repairs. A common rule is to budget around 1 to 2% of the home value per year for maintenance. This helps you stay prepared instead of being surprised by sudden expenses. In addition, some homes also come with HOA fees. HOA means Homeowners Association, and these fees may cover amenities, community maintenance, shared spaces, or neighborhood services. Not every home has HOA fees, but if your home does, you must include it in your real budget. Afterward, do not forget the upfront costs of buying a home. These may include the down payment, closing costs, moving costs, furniture, and setup expenses. Many buyers think the purchase is finished once they get the keys, but in reality, buying the home is only the beginning. For example, imagine your monthly mortgage is $1,600. Then property tax adds $300, insurance adds $120, utilities add $250, a maintenance fund adds $250, and HOA fees add $80. Suddenly, the real monthly cost becomes around $2,600, not just $1,600. Therefore, before buying a home, ask yourself some smart budget questions. Can I still save money each month? Can I handle repairs? Am I prepared for rising costs? And most importantly, will this home fit my lifestyle comfortably? However, there are warning signs that buyers should avoid. If you only budgeted for the mortgage, you may underestimate the real cost. If you have no emergency repair fund, even a small issue can become stressful. Also, if you stretched your budget to the maximum bank approval, you may have very little room for life, savings, or emergencies. And if you ignored taxes, insurance, and maintenance, the home may become much more expensive than expected. Finally, the real cost of owning a home equals mortgage, plus taxes, plus insurance, plus utilities, plus maintenance, plus fees, plus cash reserves. The best home budget is not the biggest home you can buy. It is the home that keeps you comfortable, prepared, and stress-free. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.